Here's ADP Run App. So let's just tap Get, double click to install it. Take control of payroll and HR when you're on the go. The Run powered by ADP Payroll Mobile is a build for the way your small business works with an intuitive experience and quick access to the most important features. The Run mobile app makes it easy. Payroll, reports, adding new people, and much more, all at your fingertips wherever your day takes you. Start your payroll with a tap, avoid payroll mistakes with AI-powered error detection, add new employees, manage taxes, view, download, and share reports. So yeah, here you have it. But this is the app for employers. This is not for employees. So here you have smart payroll on the go. So you can just run payroll for that period. You can enter payroll for your account. Avoid payroll mistakes with AI-powered error detection, add people to your payroll where and when you need to, stay in the know with notification and critical. So yeah, this kind of the app. And then there is also ADP app for employees, which you can install, and then you can receive your salary and all of that. You can also view my checks. That's ADP app. That's different app. But if you want to manage your company payroll, then you can just tap and sign up from here, where you have your account. You need to have your account created already on the website. So there you have it.